If your Casio feels too big, you're not alone, and most people are adjusting it the wrong way. These vintage Casio watches look amazing, but straight out of box, the fit is usually way off. And if it's too loose, it just doesn't feel right on the wrist. But the good news is, you don't need any special tools. And once you learn this, you'll be able to adjust any Casio like this in seconds. All you need is something small and pointy, like this. Inside the clasp, there is a small locking mechanism, and that's what controls the size of the bracelet. Most people try to push it or force it. Don't do that. Instead, gently lift this part right here. Now slide the clasp. Take your time and adjust it step by step. And once you find your size, lock it back in place. You don't want it too tight or too loose. Somewhere in the middle is perfect. And just like that, perfect fit. Quick tip, always do it on soft surface so you don't scratch your watch. And if it still doesn't feel right, just move it one notch. Small adjustments make big difference. This works on most Casio vintage models, so once you learn it, you're set. Now your Casio finally fits the way it should. Subscribe for more watch content.